Hello, my name is Wesley Erickson. I am a Microsoft Power Up program participant in the fifth cohort. I'm currently employed as a senior IT project manager for a large healthcare organization in the Midwest, and I'm personally based out of Des Moines, Iowa. This is my final app challenge overview video for the Microsoft Power Up program. The final app challenge is a challenge that requires all program participants to build an app and submit a video demonstrating specific features and functions. The provided business scenario for this final app challenge is that we have a company named AdventureWorks Cycles. AdventureWorks Cycles is a global bicycle company that runs an employee discount program on their product line. Their employees can purchase products at an employee discount rate of 20%, and AdventureWorks wants to simplify the employee purchase experience. They have requested that a digital storefront be built using Power Platform technology. As in real life, I was provided with a list of items that different users would like to be included in the solution. And this video showcases how I used Power Platform technology to meet all provided business requirements for both employees and managers. What I'm sharing up on the screen here right now is the Canvas app that I built with the Power App tool for my final app challenge. Before I jump into the demonstration to showcase the features and functions that meet the business requirements, I'll take kind of a quick step back and provide an overview of how I built the application. I was provided with a data set in Excel of all the available products, the models, colors, sizes, available quantity, price, and so on. I imported that into SharePoint as a list, did a little bit of data cleanup, and so here's my product list. Did a little bit of data cleanup, then created a category list, a subcategory list, and then a purchase order header list here for created orders, and then a purchase order details list for all the individual items on each order. So now I'll jump back to my application and demonstrate the functionalities that meet the business requirements. The first requirement is that employees must be able to view a list of available products by category and price. In my Canvas app, I use this modern tab list up here in the top right-hand side of the screen as a navigation tool and built custom screens for each category. So using this tab list here, employees can browse by category, and depending on how many products are in each category, I took a slightly different approach on how I wanted to present the products on that screen. In bikes category, there's only two subcategories. So you can see on the left-hand side here, all available mountain bikes, right-hand side, road bikes. On the component screen, there is a gallery up here at the top that displays all of the subcategories, and a gallery down here below, which is filtered to show all component products by default. Employees can use this top gallery here really as a filtering tool to browse the available products. On the clothing screen, the only available item here was jerseys, so just showcasing one gallery showing all available jerseys. And on the accessories screen, I'm sharing here one gallery that shows the available helmets plus this storage item for the bicycle. I also used a two-level navigation tool menu up here in the top left-hand side that functions the same way as this tab list menu here, really just allowing employees to navigate by category throughout the site. Second requirement is that I must be able to display a discounted price within the application. So I'm on my home page here, and this top gallery is filtered to show top selling items using that purchase order list that I shared with you earlier. Red font here is representative of a text label that's showing that employee discount rate. This black text down below with the strike through is showing the stock price or list price. Pretty much every other gallery within this application, I took a kind of a standard approach by just displaying the employee price here in black text, with a list price in kind of a smaller font size with gray color and strike through. Third requirement is the employees must be able to add and remove products to a shopping cart. So using this top sellers gallery, I'll go ahead and just add one item to the cart. I'd set this button up here with an on select rule to add the item to the cart with a quantity of 1. So I could jump to the cart if I wanted to. We'll go ahead and do that. You can see that that's there. I can change the quantity of that. The subtotal will update. I can remove it. I can go back to the home screen and go ahead and demonstrate that functionality again, just to show you in the top right hand side of the screen how the cart is updating. I can use this to navigate to the checkout screen, update my cart from here. I can go back. We'll go to the bike screen. We'll add a mountain bike and we'll continue shopping. We'll grab bike chain. And a helmet. And we'll go home to demonstrate a third requirement, which is to be able to search for product by name. Go ahead and type in jersey. It's not working. Blood chain. Continue shopping. We'll go grab that jersey. View cart and check out. So you can see here, I did not mean to add chain twice, so I'll go ahead and just remove that other one. I'm reviewing my product list here in my cart, double checking that I have everything that I need. So I have the mountain rear wheel, a mountain bike, a helmet, a chain, a long sleeve jersey, subtotal for each product, grand total down here below. We'll go ahead and enter our order name. So final app challenge demo. Comments for the order. We'll go ahead and submit this order. Now, when I submit the order, I'm seeing this prompt here display that the order has successfully submitted. A few things are going on behind the scenes right now. One, I've configured Power App to send all orders when that place order button is sent to my orders list. So we should see up here at the top, there's my final app challenge demo. We can see my comments, the total price, and the status is new. We should be able to go to my order details page and also see that order. So yeah, just jumping back, order ID was 45, order details, order ID 45, everything that I purchased there, and the quantities. You can see here, manager approval status is pending. Jumping over to my inbox to demonstrate another requirement here, which is to be able to receive details of their order once the order was submitted. You can see here's the order confirmation message being sent to the employee, informing them that the order successfully went through, providing them with a list of all of their items, and letting them know next steps is that this order has been sent to their management team for approval. I've set myself up as the manager for this employee as part of this demo. So you can see here the approval request is routing to the manager, just providing them with the order name, ID, total price, and any comments. The approval request also sends to Microsoft Teams. So managers can jump in here and use this tool to approve. And approve. Nice job with this final app challenge. Go ahead and approve that. What should happen now is the employee should receive an order or receive a confirmation message that their order has been approved. And here I am displaying that on the screen. Additionally, if we jump back to our order screen, we should be able to see status change to approved. Same would be the case on my details page. And since I'm running out of time, I'm just going to jump